Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Studio by EduScots. Today I will give you a complete demo of AIWaft 86-inch digital board, showcasing its features and functionalities in detail. So let's begin by talking about the specifications. This panel comes equipped with 8 GB of RAM and a 128 GB SSD, and it operates on Android 13. In terms of appearance, the outer look is sleek and its durability is impressive. So there's no doubt it's one of the most advanced products in the industry. If you were in front of me, I could have shown you its hardness, the shine of its borders, but I trust that you can rely on my words. Now let's talk about the sound and display. This digital board comes with 20-watt speakers delivering a powerful audio experience. The screen itself is anti-glare and it supports 40-point multi-touch functionality. The resolution is 4K, which means you can display crystal clear videos in your classrooms. And if you want to set it up as a home theater, this 4K display will give you an immersive experience with amazing picture quality. One of the most important things to note is that this product comes with 3-year warranty, which speaks to its durability and reliability. Now let's discuss what really matters to teachers when choosing a digital board. The first thing is that it should be easy to use. Teachers need a user-friendly interface, and this board delivers just that. I will walk you through the menu bar in detail a bit later. But first, let's talk about what makes this board truly special. As a teacher, you want the ability to import your materials easily, whether it's PPTs, PDFs, or images. With this digital board, you can do that effortlessly. This import option supports various file formats like SVG and IWB and even GIFs that continuously move. Another great feature is the export option, which allows you to save your notes. For example, if you create a PPT and add annotations to it, you can export those notes as a PDF and share them with your students. This makes it incredibly easy to distribute learning materials. Now let's talk about customization. You can choose different backgrounds and even upload your own. It's simple but super useful, especially when you want to customize your lessons to specific themes. From a setting perspective, you can enable or disable multi-finger writing, which is handy if you're writing with multiple fingers at once. You can also manage the brightness and even use the handwriting recognition feature, which works in both Hindi and English. For example, if I write Akash, the board recognizes it instantly. You can also change the color of the text, flip it, and even copy it for later use. This feature works for both Hindi and English text. Another feature I love is the search option. If your board is connected to the internet, you can search for images or information directly from the board. For instance, if I search for Akash Institute, I can easily find its logo, crop it, and insert it directly into my presentation. This is especially helpful for teachers who need to add quick references during their lessons. You can even search for 3D models like planets, which adds an interactive element to your teaching. There are so many amazing features that I could go on and on, but I will break them down into a series of videos for you. This will be a little long, so please bear with me. Now let's talk about external devices. You can plug in your pen drive using the 2 USB slots on the front or use the slots at the back. There is also an HDMI port. I won't cover every feature in this video, but I will leave some additional resources and video links in the description below, where I explain other features in more detail. Let me show you the pen tool. It comes with 2 different ends, one for writing and one for selecting. You can choose different pen types like pencil and adjust the thickness to suit your needs. This is super helpful for writing equations or making annotations in various colors. One thing I must mention is the lack of lag. Writing on this panel is smooth and instantaneous, which is crucial for teachers who need to write quickly without any delay. The anti-glare feature ensures your eyes are protected even after long hours of use. There's also a smart tool that lets you draw shapes like stars, and it automatically gives you several options to choose from. While not the most essential features, is still a nice touch. Another useful feature is the infinite scroll option. If you run out of space while writing, you can easily extend the board surface up or down, giving you more room to write. For teachers, there's also a built-in stopwatch. You can start a timer for activities and challenges and even reset it when needed. You can also record your session, which is great for creating lessons replays for students. The spotlight feature lets you highlight specific parts of your content while dimming the rest of the screen, helping students to focus on key points. As I mentioned earlier, this is just an overview. I will continue to explore these features in more depth in future videos. If you are interested in buying this smart digital board from AIWaft, feel free to contact us using the number on the screen. I personally guarantee the quality and durability of this product. Even after 3 years, if you encounter any issues, replacement parts will be available. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials, and thank you so much for watching.